Welcome to ISL-enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
This video is developed by CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory in association with Jigyasa. In this video, we will learn about microscopes. So, what is a microscope? Microscope is a scientific instrument. We use the microscope to see micro objects, which we can't see with our naked eyes. It plays a very important role in chemistry, medicine, material science, and many scientific disciplines. Microscope was invented in 1600 by eyeglass maker in the Netherlands and Denmark. There are many types of microscopes. Each microscope has its design and capabilities, but they all work on one fundamental principle. A microscope is an optical instrument designed to observe and study very small objects, such as biological specimens, microorganisms, cells, and small structural details.